That's your mask. Hey, we can all make a cloth mask without a sewing machine, without a needle, and without thread. Now, it's not an N95 mask, but it is recommended right now that we do wear some sort of protective covering over our faces, not only to protect ourselves, but to protect others. So here's a very quick and easy way to make an effective cloth mask that is also reusable and washable. All we need is an old t-shirt and some scissors. We take the sleeve of the t-shirt. That will become our mask. And so what we're going to do is we're going to cut along the seam of the sleeve and remove the sleeve. So let's do that. So you end up with the sleeve of the t-shirt. If you fold it lengthways, you'll see that there's a long end and a short end. The long end is going to become the front of our mask. But we need to make room for our ears. And the way we do that is we take the top of the mask, which is the arm side of the sleeve, and we're going to make 2-inch cuts just under the seam of the arm side seam. And we're going to do that on both sides of the sleeve. Then we can pull the mask over our head like this. And the ears fall right in place. What you can do is you can double up for added protection underneath. And for comfort, it's snug in the back already, but you can double up the back as well. And that's your mask. No needle, no thread, no sewing machines, just scissors and an old t-shirt.